Yep, right here.
To go back 24 years. So I was working right here, right there, dishing ice cream. It was called Fudge Works back then. Now it's Haley's, so go check them out. Thank you guys for letting us do a video. But this is where we met. You see little hearts going up everywhere?
Yep.
So Mike came in to see his sister. It was her last day. Yep. She worked here with me. It was her last day at work. I was sitting there dishing ice cream, and he spent about an hour and a half watching his sister and I work.
My sister said, "Oh, I'm too busy right now. You just go stand over there."
So he talked to me, and that's where it all began. And now all the world can see where it began. Is it a moment? Here, should we smooch?
It is a moment.
Okay, guys, so come visit Haley's. Tell them thank you for letting us do a video where we first met. Our first apartment.
Ta-da!
Right there. So our apartment was this window down here, the first door, and this window, and this side door.
It looks a little bit better in those days.
Yeah, they haven't changed anything except they got some junk out front. This is our first apartment.
You could walk back.
It's a moment. These stairs right here, where I'm always talking about the stairs the elk walking up the stairs. That's the stairs the elk would walk up.
And they used to form the parades here for the town.
Yeah.
So there'd be a parade line right here. We'd open up the blind and look out from the living room.
Yeah, you guys, you got to act like you like each other. Then there's there's Ellie.
Moves right in front of me.
Okay, so Shayla said I had to show a natural foot soak. Feels glorious. Is it a little chilly? You do know it's a glacier that's being melted, right?
Yeah. Oh, it does feel good though.
See, look at Shayla's lovely toenails. She always has lovely toenails.
I broke one.
Oh no. Let's see. See that big rock right there? That used to be over here until the floods. And that rock right there is where Michael asked me to marry him. It's a moment. Okay, so this is Tara's dream house. Tara's dream house right here. This is it.
Although, not gonna lie, I would like a house like that.
So there's Trail Ridge Center up there, the visitor center. Right there. Boop.
Have you not?
It's $354. Isn't that crazy? Okay.
Insane.
Say hi, Shayla. Hi, Shayla. You think you're pretty funny, don't you?
You know.
So guys, this is
Can't
Shayla.
laugh at yourself.
So this is Shayla of Shayla's Ham and Noodles. Have no idea what page it's on.
Now you see why she's family.
So let's go make some fudge. Yum. Don't forget to check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook for more great recipes and tips. Visit us at livingonadime.com. Please like, subscribe, and share.